So I'm just letting you know that this channel is not promoting any apps or website. Well, there are a number of ways to make money fast. Today we are going to take a look at best ways to make money in a day. Legend ideas on how to make money the same day you need it. How can I make money fast? You are probably watching this video because you are looking for legit ways to make money online in one day. So today let's take a look at some easy ways to earn money using side hustles that allow you to make at least $100 a day with PayPal. There is even one on the list that will show you how to make money $100 in 1 hour. Most of us are in urgent need of money, and if you are wondering how to make money right now without leaving your home, we may have some of the best options to make money in a day. 10 quickest ways to make money. Are you ready to get money fast? It's not time for you to take a pick from these side hustle ideas listed to find the easiest ways to make money online. Choose the best one from the list to help you make quick money from home. So 1. Get paid for your opinion. Swagbucks is a reward site that not only gives you cash back